Hello and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to turn off automatic app updates on your iPhone. Automatic updates can be quite useful as they ensure your apps are always up to date with the latest features and security patches. However, there are times when automatic updates can be annoying, or you might prefer to stay on an older version of an app for specific reasons. Let's walk through the steps to manage these settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. From the main settings menu, scroll down until you find the App Store section. It's important to avoid tapping on your name at the top of the screen, even though it also contains some App Store settings. Instead, focus on the lower sections where you'll find the specific settings we need. Once you're in the App Store settings, look for the section called Automatic Downloads. Here you'll see a few options, including app downloads and app updates. The app downloads option allows apps downloaded on other devices in your Apple ID network to be installed on your iPhone. This isn't relevant to our goal right now, so let's focus on the app updates toggle. The app updates toggle controls whether your apps update automatically. If this switch is turned on, your iPhone will automatically update apps as new versions become available. To turn off automatic updates, simply toggle this switch to the off position. This means you'll need to update your apps manually through the App Store whenever you choose to. Turning off automatic updates can help you avoid unexpected changes to your apps and give you control over which versions you use. It can also save data if you're on a limited data plan, as app updates can sometimes be quite large. By managing these settings, you ensure that your apps only update when you want them to, providing you with more control over your iPhone's behavior and data usage. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to turn off automatic app updates on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.